What's up, guys? West Coast Picks here, and today I have this Spartan padlock. Don't know who makes this. I think it's, it's StarlightLocks.com, so I've never actually heard of this company before. So, I don't know. We'll check it out anyway. It's pretty decent size and weight. It was like $26 or something like that, Canadian, which is really good. I could see there's a big gap there in between the kick holder and the kick itself. I can actually see the top of the kick in there. I'm not sure how secure that is for like drilling purposes and stuff, but whatever. There it is working. Dual ball bearing. We've got a Phillips down there. That's good to know. And really nice bitting. Not sure what that is. I think it may be key retaining or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's the first lock I've ever seen come with something like that. Alright. Let's see what we can do with this Spartan. Spartan. There was a time when Spartan meant like minimal. And now I guess everybody thinks Spartan means like tough. So, oh, there we go. I think it's closer than minimal. Closer to minimal than tough. Looking at it now, it looks like you can get the shackle out, which is cool. I like that. But let's get the core out. Phillips. There we go. Pretty stiff. I still have the Loctite on it. Yeah, blue Loctite. And it looks like an anti-bypass or something. Oh, it's a kick adapter. That's not, oh, what? Weird. Alright. I hope I can get this thing back together. Oh yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Weird. I've never seen one like that before. Let's get this clip off. Alright, careful. So it looks like a 6-pin. It's got holes in the bottom like an American or an Avis would do, which is really nice for repinning quickly. Unless you want to get the driver pins out, and then it's not so nice. Alright, I'm just going to throw a shim in here, guys, because the gap in the back is pretty big, and I don't want to mess this up. So, I mean, you got them, you might as well use them, right? Alright. Closer there. Oops. Drop the first 2 pins. Look at the key to see where they go. First one's the deep one. Oops. Second one is the shallow one. So confirm the key here. Yep. And it looks like they only pinned 5 of the 6 up, which is probably why it wasn't too hard to get into. I mean, it probably only took me a minute or something, maybe not even. 5, all standard. Looks like new pins out of someone's lab kit. But I like that it is a, oh, it doesn't even have a top to it. That's weird. I like that it's a 6-pin though, core, so you can pin it up 6 if you want. I'll remember that the front has the offset, so I don't have to mark it. They look different. It's easier. All right. Let's see what's in here. I think it's standard. I didn't feel any security pins in here. I'd be shocked to find any. Yeah, nothing so far. Just a 5-pin slag. But pretty good tolerances. Like, I mean, I didn't open it in 2 seconds, so it took a couple trips through the plug to get it. So there we go. And we do have 6 holes, only 5 of them populated. That is the, I'll lose that clip there. That is the Spartan. I don't know model number, PLB 45, I guess. I'm not sure. But that is the Spartan padlock. Now he can go on display with the rest of his buddies there. You know, as far as padlocks go with a slag kick, I mean, it's well built. It feels good in there. Everything's nice and tight. I don't like the gap between the plug and the adapter when it's all together. As you can see, it's quite the gap when it's in the lock. You can see, without doing anything, you can see the kick in there and all that. But you know, other than that, it's pretty well made. Nice lock. Some security pins would be a hell of a lot better. Alright guys, later.